Okay, just want to show you the Ateca and an 80 kg folding LM Smart Lifter Hoist. And it's a nice setup because we've got one of the most common scooters, a Pride Go-Go Elite Traveller, and that's going into the back of this car, which isn't a really big car, keeping all 5 seats, which is really neat. And it's quite easy. Just show you how it works. We've got a power button, click that power button on. It's a folding hoist, so we just lift this hoist up like this until it locks here. We've got a handle here, sorry, controller here, and I'll just lift this scooter out of here now, carefully. Lift it up, turn it round through here carefully, and then just bring it through the gap there. Drop it down to the ground. Get rid of the tension on the hoist. Flip those off, and then pop that back in there. To release this, you just lift it at this end, pull that handle down, and then it can fold into the car like that, and we can shut the boot. And the scooter is loaded without the seat on. Just going to load the seat onto the deck there, where it's not misplaced, so just lock that in position. Ready to go. So that's coming out. We'll do a reverse operation so you can see how it goes in. So fold that down, release your scooter seat, put that around there, just sort of neatly goes into there. Pull down the tiller and then bring your hoist down, and it just lifts up like that, locks in. On. And then we've got this working as a two-way hoist, so there's no power in and out, but on the level it's nice and easy. If you were maybe on a slope, it might be a little tricky. Take that up there till it's, don't take it past that yellow band, and swing it into the boot there. That bar can just kind of go under there. Just turn around through there, turn it around through 90 degrees, and then just kind of guide it into that area. It's a really tight fit in this car, it's super snug, and wouldn't better getting anything bigger than that. Take a bit of tension off that, and then you can fold down your hoist, just fold it into the car a little so that this doesn't hit the back of the tailgate. Got a powered tailgate on this one. And there we go.